welcome back guys to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it hot. It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I'm doing a little seafood video with my granddaughter Jada here today. Me and she working today in the kitchen. Yes. As she said, the one and only.
The one and only Miss Waiter in the building. Ready to chop it up and cook.
Okay. So guys, what we are going to make food today, and we're going to share this recipe food. We don't know. We are going to do some fried crab. We're going to fry some crab today, guys. Hope you can see them. It's seasoned already. I'm going to tell you how to season it. And we are going to fry some shrimp too. I'll make some butterfly shrimp. Okay, so that's what we are going to do today. So for the season for the crab, we use 1 teaspoon of seafood seasoning, 1 teaspoon of obey, a teaspoon of fish seasoning, and a teaspoon of Montreal steak, and a teaspoon of what is this one? Adobe, and a teaspoon of garlic plus. Guys, you don't know this is my special. I don't cook without this. This is my special season. My garlic plus. And then we are going to use some vegetable oil. So this, I'm going to pour this in my deep fryer. So our deep fryer, we are use this in today. Okay. Pour the whole bottle of oil in there.
And then guys, as the sides, we're gonna have fries because I don't eat onion, and then onion rings. I don't eat onion ring, but we're gonna try to make the onion ring. This is grandma's first time making onion ring.
Guys, I've never made onion ring before, but this is my first time. I said I'm gonna make some onion ring because Cyan like onion rings, so I'm gonna make some for her. Jada is doing some fries for herself, and that's it, guys. So I'm gonna wait till the oil hot, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know what else we are going to do with this fried crab and shrimp, because it's fried seafood today. No boil, just fried seafood we are going to have today. Okay guys, so that's it for now, and I will be right back. So because I got to get the flour and the other rest of season together to dip the crab into, and then I'm gonna come make that and let you see what I'm doing with that. All right guys, so I'll be back after I get all of that together. Okay. Okay, so guys, we get some pinto. Okay. So we are going to use a cup of pinto. In this, guys, we have 2 cups of flour. We have 2 cups of flour, and we have 2 cups of flour here, Jada. Put a cup of pinto in that. So this is the what you call this, Jada? The mixing for dip. This is the flour mix for dip the crab into. Lord have mercy. As me tell you, sometimes, see, can't you remember when me ask? Sometimes it's kicking, but then it just stay for a little minute, a couple of minutes, and then it goes. Okay, so it kind of gone now.
It's okay. We all have some timers.
So I like to do the thing pan a measuring thing so that you can do the thing right. So I'm going to use in the season, I'm going to use a tablespoon of garlic plus, and I'm going to use a teaspoon. You know what? We need a tablespoon because it's a lot of flour. Tablespoon of the Montreal steak, and we are going to use a teaspoon of the obey because it's salty. So I'm just going to use a teaspoon of the obey. And cheddar, look down the bottom there, you see garlic powder, onion powder. A tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. With the other one.
Which one?
The onion powder.
You need onion powder too?
Yeah. And a tablespoon of paprika.
I thought that was cinnamon for a second.
Cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of paprika, guys. Mine's a little bit more than a tablespoon, but just use a tablespoon. And this is onion powder. And you use a tablespoon of the onion powder too. So what we are going to do, we are going to mix this up. But you know what, guys? We need some black pepper. So we can't do without put some black pepper up in this bad boy. Yeah. Look in that side there, see the black pepper. I know the season is all over the place, but so it takes some time. So these are the mixture. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. That is like 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is enough. Enough to use 2. I have 2 spoons of this.
Okay then. I don't know when that happened.
I probably have to go add some more flour to it as we go along, but this is the mixture. So I'm going to make this come to 350. So when this comes to 350, then it's ready. So it not reach 350 yet. Still have a little ways. Still have a, it's not reach there. Okay. So guys, I'll be back when it give it 5 more minutes and it will be ready to fry. So, but what I can do in the meantime, yeah, I can go on coat the fish, coat the crab. You're supposed to correct your grandmother. You're supposed to say grandma is not fishy up
Girl,
there.
anything in the sea is a fish. Anything in the sea.
Oh my God.
I didn't know you were putting, oh, okay, this is different.
Huh?
This is different. I didn't know you were actually putting a coating on the crab.
I never think so how would we fry it?
No, you just put in the sun and fry it.
No, we coating it with some seasoning and
This is different.
it. Yeah.
I never seen this before.
Okay. Well, you know your granny always do
what are you
all
gonna
kind
put
of crap.
What are you gonna put that in? Back into that bowl?
No, I gotta get a container.
Okay.
Let's get a bowl to put it into.
Comment down below if you guys ever had this before, because I never had this before. I never seen nobody do it like this.
There's not a thing I do where you never had before. But it is what it is, sweetheart. Okay, guys. So now I think it is ready. So we are going to drop the first one in. Oh, we are going to drop it in the pot, JD. Ah, that's ready. Woo!
Scared of the oil?
Yeah, you can show them. Not now. Let me make it fry up a little bit first. I'm doing some more crab here. So Papa, are you gonna have crab for dinner tonight?
Crab.
Yes. Some fried crab.
What crab are you using for dinner?
I mean, probably, you're gonna have some crab. I mean, probably have no meat.
I feel shell crab up right
Well, this is a fry, so you can eat the shell.
Okay.
Okay? So,
Crunchy.
yes.
Crispy.
Yes, like crispy chicken.
Okay.
So, fried crab and shrimp with fried onion.
Onion?
Yeah.
You like onion ring?
I don't like onion period. What kind of onion ring?
But me see when you go buy a burger, a fire pit, them give you onion ring with it and you eat it. So,
No, I
it's
don't eat the onion ring.
yes, you do, Ari. Me and you go a fire pit a burger, then go a fire pit and then get him onion ring and then eat it. So when I say
Onion rings are nasty in my book.
Onion ring.
I'm a granddad on this one.
No, I don't eat onion ring.
well, I got you go eat. You see them? See them? You see them? Look on them good. And then you go eat today.
I don't have to eat it. I tend to like reef them.
Oh, you're going to like reef them? I don't know.
Eat the plastic with them.
Hey, that was back in the day.
When we can bring everything and come back in the whole time. Come right back to the new day, you know. Eat something downstairs.
That was back in the days. So me I tell you, so if me have to feed you, me I go hold you and feed your ass like you eat it tonight.
What is it?
That's the
Feed it like how you used to feed us the porridge, Grandma.
Yes, yes.
Feed
Them feed with feed. Okay. You say I'm feeding her with the porridge? Okay.
But you're not easy, Joan. You have really fried the crab.
Of course. I mean, it's not easy. You know, I love my crab. But I'm not boiling this time. I'm frying.
Tell him he can't get up till he done eat too.
Same thing when we do. Them say once a month. Guys, them say once a month, twice a shy. Papa Harry used to feed the kids them and them can't get up until it's done. So me and Jada, we are going to do the same thing to him because he's a child, no? We are feeding him and what you say, Jada?
He can't get up until it's done to the plate clean.
Okay, alright. So that is what we are going to do to him today. So guys, as you could see, we come to the finish of the frying. So this is the shrimp and the crab. That's what it look like. It fried nice and crispy. And this one here, we have some potato patties that we made, and we have onion rings in there. Okay, and then Jada don't eat onion rings. She make a little bit of scrumptious fries for herself. This about, I think it's about two potato.
Yeah, one bigger one and a
And a
little
small one. So anyway, we are gonna make a plate and Cyan I go sample it. So you will tell me how the shrimp is and the crab, and she make a sauce and Cyan make a sauce. She can tell you where she use make the sauce.
I use mayonnaise. What's it? I can just see what this one sauce is called.
So while
Cyan's doing that, Grandma's gonna share out the food.
Yeah.
Well, Cyan's tester.
I use mayonnaise, chipotle, mustard,
Mustard.
What is your
mayonnaise,
pepper?
chipotle, mustard. I used the spicy hot sauce. Let me show you guys. This is the hot sauce that I use. Like, this is the perfect thing for me if I want something to be spicy. And I use some onion powder, no, some garlic powder, and black pepper, and lemon juice.
Guys, the homemade onion rings, you
And
make
ketchup.
homemade onion rings at home, it's absolutely delicious. Nothing like the one that you bought when you go to the store. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you guys don't miss a post when I post. And I'm gonna dish a plate. Oh, this is Jada. So Jada, oh Jada, this is Jada. I'm not gonna take her stuff out her plate. I'm just gonna put whatever she wants on it. So you whatever you want.
You
So
guys,
she wants shrimp.
this crab, it's giving tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. It's just so good. I'm definitely gonna try this recipe. It's a little bit expensive for me, but you know, when I can. What about you, Jada?
If grandma makes it, I'll be here. Me personally, this was me making it the one time and leave it to the champ. And sauce tastes really good, guys. That is exquisite. You ate with that.
So guys, we come to the end of the video and we will see you guys in the next one. My two beautiful granddaughter hanging out cooking today.